before pa. Ngayon lang lumabas. Kaya pala yung mga things sa registry, currently.
Siguro mabayagan tayo no kasi nga pa sugli tayo i-issue niya. I-concern me nga po dapat nga affected nga barangay mano nga tawonan dito niya for the past decades dagijay pa agar arapaat nga elderly awandan pigmanaw dan niya for the past years decades niya. So siguro para kada kami sir niya why don't we just give Johnny the benefit of the doubt niya i-execute na, tapno kasagat, makita yun tayo, yung sincerity na. Kami din importante eh. Tingnan natin yung sincerity nila na talagang yan, talagang ibibigay na yan sa mga qualified, na occupants, Para sa gano'n, meron talagang ibubunga yung ating ginagawang ito na mga sakripisyo. Otherwise, kahit na ilang linggo tayo, buwan, o taon tayo mag-meeting dito, kung walang execution, wala pong mangyayari. Kaya sa party siguro ng BCDA at saka JHLB, siguro palagay ko sincere naman sila na yan ay i-implement na talaga para sa ganun, para sa kanila, accomplishment din yan eh. Accomplishment din ng ating presidente yan. Accomplishment ng lahat yan. Kaya siguro palagay ko magkaisa na tayo para sa ganun, uusad na yung ating mithiin na ito ay maipamigay na sa mga nagnanais o naghahangad na mapapasa kanila itong mga kapirasong lupa na ito na kanila na rin ipinaglalaban ng matagal na panahon. Please lang po, yun lang po ang aming request ng mga barangays. Thank you.
Okay, so in behalf of the Pre-Proclamation Committee, that is yung speech po ni punong barangay natin is being addressed to the punong barangay so that in addition to what Engineer Banagaw in-emphasize kanina na yung cooperation is nasa inyo po yan. And then narinig ko kanina na at ako mati time frame na sa issuance kay Presidential Proclamation. Well, following again the provision of MC 157, precisely MC 157 came up because of the very long distance or ang tagal na proseso. And not only proseso but the time, like 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, or limit all. So, for MC 157, nag-usap-usap po yung mga secretaries ng yung mga kung sino yung na-mention doon because sila po yung gumawa dyan sa MC 157. Na ang time frame po dyan, kanina is na dapat may time frame. May time frame po tayo for MC 157. It should be 105 days. 105 days or 5 months. Ilan? 3 months. Depende po, nakasalalay po sa mga proponents, which is kayo po, na kanina is, syempre medyo may mga reservations din yung DCDA dahil may mga barangay siyata na ayaw magbigay like sa resolution na parang you are giving your confirmation that you are willing na they will go and conduct the survey dun sa mga barangay ninyo. So, nakasalalay po sa atin, mga barangay, the completion of documents and the compliance, kung ano po yung pangangailangan para yung sabi na noan niya po di inarakaap tayo si Manunga taw-tawan ka matutupad na ang bunga at matutupad na sana, but yun, we need the cooperation and the support of each and everyone. So we don't need to challenge BCDA and Janhay Management Corporation because yun na nga na sila po na yung nag-initiate. So it's a matter of siguro mag-complex tayo kung ano yung mga pangangailangan. Hindi po ba? So for the meantime, ako, Councilor and member of the PCD, hintayin po natin yung result ng relocation survey, utilities ng BCPA before, but base structure survey, but if we go to the legalities kasi, as I have mentioned it, all we need is, sabi ni Ma'am Helma na even before the MQ-157, ang pangangailangan po nila para mai-work out na nila is the perimeter plan. But to give due respect with BCBA, sir, so hintayin po natin before we are going to move on. So, nakasalalay po yung, so for the meantime, mas slow down yung pag-post ay on hold yung, okay ba? On hold yung project.
Precisely that is why we came out with a resolution creating the PPC, because this has been going on for generations, I think. For 2 decades, sabi ni Ma'am Jelma. And I hope you understand why we came out with this investigation. Parang investigation ang question and answer. It's because, of course, clarification. We have no questions or we have no second thoughts on the sincerity of each candidate, especially so our friends from the CBA and GHMC. But let us also understand that they come from very, very big or 2 big institutions. Now, yung sinasabi po nila, maaaring na, iba ang sasabihin ng iba. Kaya nga po tumagal yan eh. Kaya kailangan natin ng PPC. Okay? So that there will be a turnover of all these things that we're doing. Now, I do agree with what Chairman have said earlier. Let us wait. Personally, I would appeal to the barangays. Let us allow JHMC to enter our barangays to conduct the relocation, utility, and structural surveys. With the condition that we are reserving any comments we will have later on